right, well, what do you guys think were some pros about the assembly? Like, what did you like about it?
I like the energy.
You like the energy?
The energy was very up and like really it's motivational. You know what I'm saying?
Motivation. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I like that.
No, I'd say that the
90s?
Vista fight song is never going to catch up.
No, it's actually really catchy. All
hail
the monster, the best team in the West.
It was a lot of fun, and I hope we have one like every month.
Every month?
The total yeah,
Oh, but you like that
really,
TP?
the best part.
You like that walk?
And we like to watch the games and like keep everybody's energy up.
Some pros were that everybody was loud, everybody was into it. Some of the cons were that Ricardo did not dance enough.
Pros, me and Casey dancing, me winning.
Yeah.
I think the good thing about the assembly was everybody got involved, especially when we started dancing. Everybody started going out in the middle and started dancing with the weight crew and stuff, so that was pretty cool.